Well, the good news about afternoon thunderstorms is that it breaks the heat. Temperatures are in the 70s right now. Bad news is it's just kind of annoying, and it also causes some problems with power outages and even some wind damage and flooded streets, of course. Here's the radar now winding down. Mostly light rain in Miami-Dade and Broward. Heaviest rain is backed into the Everglades and far south Dade and also western Broward. Storms are trying to come to the east, but the air is cooler now, so it's going to be hard for anything heavy to work back into the metro areas. That being said, a flood advisory in effect until 6:45 for much of South Dade for the puddles on the road and the street flooding in spots. Give it some time if you plan to be out and about, and of course avoid roads covered by water of unknown depth. North Miami-Dade, just some lighter rain now along and east of 95. Broward, most of Broward looking good, just some spotty light rain, but there are some heavier thunderstorms out in West Broward over the Everglades. This is going to try to come back in, but it's just mostly going to be rain when it moves back into Broward County. Here's our CBS 4 camera. Doral, sun breaking through behind that back part of the thunderstorm there. Temperature 74, it's very nice. 77 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 86 in Key West. In fact, the current temperature is lower than the morning low, so that's one of the good aspects of the afternoon storms. 7 on the stickiness scale. Wind is calm. We had about 0.8 of an inch of rain at MI. Heaviest rain coming in from West Kendall, Tamiami Airport, about 1.5 inches there, but pretty good amounts elsewhere in Broward and Miami-Dade. Temperatures right now, everybody in the low to mid, and in some spots upper 70s, but everybody's in the 70s after being in the 90s today. And the light steering flow, this is the pattern we're in that basically favors thunderstorms developing over the Everglades and then marching to the coast. Another day of that tomorrow. Steamy sun to start, and then storms develop and they will move into the area once again. Some of those could be heavy. Then on Wednesday, a transition day. Steering pattern starts to change a little bit. Sun and clouds, spotty storms around just about any time during the day. And then later in the week, finally high pressure builds in. Steering flow builds from the east, mostly morning showers, maybe a few thunderstorms, and then afternoon sun and breeze. Also not as hot for the latter half of the week. For tonight, the storms are going to gradually fade. Warm and humid, a low temperature in the mid 70s, so pretty steady through the rest of the evening tomorrow. A steamy, sunny start once again. And once again, storms develop, and some of those could be heavy. High temperature around 90. For boaters, once again, winds very light on the water, but they will pick up a little bit in the coming days and taking us through the week. Another hot day tomorrow, afternoon storms, but then some improvement as we head to the latter part of the week, and Mother's Day looking pretty good.